Welcome to the University of Moratuwa, the leader in STEM education in Sri Lanka. Are you ready to take your first step towards success in the fields of science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and business sciences? Introducing ACALISTEM, the premier pre-university skills development program. With ACALISTEM, you'll gain the essential skills needed for English medium STEM education. Our program focuses on academic literacy, core language proficiency, artificial intelligence enhanced learning tools, scientific writing, and effective presentation skills. But wait, don't miss out on the chance to join this transformative learning experience. Seats are limited and they are filling up fast. Secure your place in ACALISTEM by registering on or before 28th of March. The ACALISTEM program offers an immersive 60-hour learning experience for just 25,000 rupees. Take action now. For further information and to reserve your spot, contact us at the Department of Languages, University of Moratuwa, or visit our website.